Hey guys, you wouldn't throw away your grandma because she's old, would you? So why you would do the same to your plantain? Here in UK, for example, family on average waste more than 500 pounds per year throwing away their food. So today I have this old plantain here and I want to show you how you can make a really tasty meal. In my last video I made fritters plantain and you can check the video out. And today I'm gonna be making fries for my puree plantain with big juicy prawns. Let's do it! Start by peeling and slicing your plantain. To make your puree, add the plantain to a blender. After a few moments, the puree has a smooth consistency. To add your puree, you are gonna need flour, puree onion, ginger and garlic, paprika and pepper. All of this go to your puree. Add some salt. It's time to get frying. Heat some oil in a pan. I leave you two options for your fritters. Place them in the pan with a ladle or by hand. When your fritters are golden brown, you can remove them from the pan. Now my favorite part, prawn. Start by chopping onion and spring onion. Add some oil to a pan along with some brown sugar. It should be caramelized but not burnt. Now for your pièce de résistance. Within about 5 minutes these beauties will change color. Be sure to turn them. Now topple in your onion and spring onion. Add herbs de Provence and oregano. Squeeze half lemon. Earlier, I prepared a puree of parsley, garlic, onion and oil, which I am now adding to my prawns. Sprinkle a store cube. Add black pepper. Top up your sauce with some water. It is time for some thyme. I like to add a spicy sauce on the side. Blend tomato, onion, shallots and red chillies. Add garlic paste, store cube and olive oil to the blender. Top with water. Put some oil in a pan and add spring onion. Add your mixture. Add bay leaves, herbs de Provence, pepper, store cube and salt. I am Godot.